This is portrait painting course for beginners, oil medium, suitable for anyone above age 15 and all adults. If you do not know anything about portrait drawing or oil painting, do not worry because this course teaches you everything from the basic. This is artist RamyaSadasivam. I've been practicing portraits and paintings for 13 years now. I've done more than 2000 portraits just for the sake of practice. I'm known for my realistic pencil portraits and oil painting. Let me introduce to you the objective of this course. This course teaches you how to create realistic portraits from photo and from life in oil medium. This course teaches everything about oil painting, like the preparation of canvas, oil painting techniques, about the brushes and chemicals to use, and how to preserve the painting in the right way once after you create it. Also, this course teaches you how to achieve resemblance, which is very important in commission work. After this course, your portrait will be 85 to 90% close to the character you're drawing, painting. This will make your customer very happy, but for which you should know the basics of portraits such as structure of facial features, construction of face, visual analysis of features, and mapping of features. Do not worry, everything about the basics of portrait are taught in this course. The specialty of the course is that I have taught in this course 5 different Indian skin colors such as dusky brown, fair brown, dark, and very fair complexions. I've taught in this course what colors to use and how to mix those colors in order to achieve these skin complexions. I use a technique that gives me great results. I can achieve any skin color and get it close to the skin tone that is there on the reference photo. It is not just that, I am good at foreign skins too. It is because of the technique I use. Now let me tell you the format of this course. This is an online tutorial, a self-learning course, pre-recorded videos, which means you can watch and learn everything at your convenient time. You can watch it on your mobile, tab, laptop or desktop. This course is 61 hours of teaching, 6 portrait painting demos from photo, 2 portrait painting demos from life, which makes it 61 hours of video content. Added advantage of this course is that you're getting my portrait drawing course for beginners for free. This course teaches you how to create realistic pencil portraits from photo and from life. So if you're interested in this course, please check the link in the description section, RamyaSadasivam.com/courses/painting. Please go through the details of the course there and you can purchase the course on the same link. As soon as you purchase the course, you will be enrolled in the course immediately and you can start learning. Thank you for your time.